Hi everyone, today we are making a recipe called Phoenix Fish Wraps. The ingredients call for 12 ounces of tuna, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup celery, 2 large romaine lettuce leaves, 2 flour tortillas. First we start with the tuna going into the bowl. We want 2 tablespoons of any kind of mayonnaise, or if you don't like mayonnaise, you can use something else. We want 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. And 1/4 cup diced onions. Make sure you wash your hands before doing this. One-4 cup celery, diced celery. And we'll stir this. Okay, now we put 2 large pieces of romaine lettuce on a tortilla wrap. And then you put the ingredients on. I noticed that the rolling of this is kind of difficult, but however you want to keep this together, you can. So I've tried different things, and now I'm just going to roll it from the sides. And then it's really not much that I can do with the ends, so I am just going to cut the ends like this and eat it this way. Very hard to keep this rolled in here. Hello everyone, I am now eating my Phoenix fish wrap. I already ate 1/2 and this is delicious. With this taco seasoning, if you don't like tuna, you can use chicken salad, but this is delicious. I recommend you make this. All right, have a good day.